T-Mobile routers support multiple Wi-Fi bands, including 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and sometimes 6 GHz. Setting your router to 2.4 GHz provides broader coverage and better wall penetration, though at slower speeds up to 300 Mbps. This band works well for older devices and IoT gadgets that need range over speed, but it's more prone to interference from things like microwaves and neighboring networks. The 2.4 GHz band offers slower speeds but better range and wall penetration compared to 5 GHz. It's ideal for Internet of Things devices and situations where coverage matters more than speed. To set your T-Mobile router to 2.4 GHz, access the settings through 192.168.12.1 or the T-Mobile Internet app. Navigate to the wireless section and select the 2.4 GHz band to enable and configure it. The 2.4 GHz band penetrates walls and obstacles better than higher frequency bands, making it suitable for larger homes or areas with barriers. To enhance performance, separate the 2.4 GHz band by assigning it a unique SSID, like MyHome-2.4, in your router's Wi-Fi settings or app. This prevents devices from automatically switching to other bands. For channel selection, stick to channels 1, 6, or 11 to minimize interference. Use Wi-Fi analyzers like NetSpot or the T-Mobile app scanner to identify congestion. Manually set the channel in your router's 2.4 GHz settings for stable performance. Ensure WPA3 encryption for security and consider using a guest network for IoT devices.